Three different cars, all top line.
Okay, please stand for Pledge Allegiance. Pledge Allegiance
To the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, with liberty and justice for all.
Roll call. Bill Hannon. Sue Sherfield.
Here.
Lloyd.
Here.
Bob.
Here.
Mike. Eric.
Here.
And Lloyd here. Mayor Mary Lou Hannon. Present. Solicitor Karen Demarcus.
Here.
Secretary Tina Walski.
Here.
Okay, I'm going to skip forward right into new business. I'm sure everybody knows why. This way I won't be holding all you people up. I mean, we have a lot of business to take care of, but we'll take care of the most important right now.